Welcome back. We in module 7. It's the breakdown. I know you ready. I seen them let's goes, them I'm ready, Lord shoe. I'm ready, teacher, mentor shoe. So let's get into it. So module 7 breakdown. We talking about the templates, the tools, and the community support. Cause what's the point of a course if you can't keep going after this course is over? Now, obviously, there's gonna be more courses in Shoe Pro, which is more than likely where you watching this at. There's going to be more courses. I mean, we are already working on a leadership course now. We have a course for fashion people. I mean, this is everything that you need all in one place. So this is the keys to the island and its culmination now and brand execution. So we're going to take everything and these tools that we've been using throughout. We're going to go into them a little bit more. Uh, Basically, how I can mentor you once you are done with this course, and then the support system. Obviously, Shoe Pro is your support system. Everybody in here has taken this course, or they're thinking about taking it, or they've already, got their business up and going, and they can provide some kind of value to you as well. So, some of the key concepts. This is all the key concepts that we'll be talking about in Module 7. So, we're going to go over templates for daily, weekly, and content planning, which is very important. Because if you're a business, more than likely you got some form of marketing. Content plays a very important part in that marketing campaign. It is the marketing campaign as of today, in 2025, which is when this course came out. So there's checklists for content creation, product rollout, and events. And then I'm gonna talk about one-on-one or group coaching calls for accountability, because I know sometimes it's hard to find an accountability partner. Well, guess what? If you in Shoe Pro, I am going to be your accountability partner. Or there's people in Shoe Pro that you can talk to in our community. So if you're interested in being an accountability partner, put in the comments on this breakdown that, hey, if you're looking for accountability partner, I'll be your accountability partner. So um, we're gonna talk about brand expansion, content, merchandise, events, clubhouses, and a global headquarters. So, that's very important stuff. This is keys to the island, as the business front. We was talking about the keys to the self. Now we got the business front. So some of the exercises we'll be doing is filling out templates for our weekly system, content planning, merchandise strategizing, group calls to share wins and challenges, and then we're going to design a 90-day actionable roadmap for bold execution. Now, the deliverables that you'll be getting is the complete toolkit. So everything that we talked about in this, you have access to all of this already. But, I got to tell you what it is in the breakdown. So the trackers, templates, and checklists, you got all that already. But now we're just going to go into it. The community, which is Shoe Pro, and our coaching session access, which will be if you pay for one-on-one coaching with me. So that means you're one of 6 people I'm working with, and I only work with 6 people a year. So these spots open up very rarely. I might, like this right now, I got one spot left for coaching access one-on-one with me, and I mean, we really going through this entire process together. One-on-one, hands-on. And then personalized action roadmap, which, duh, got to have the personalized action roadmap, because that's what's going to make everything that you want to put together possible, right? So if you're ready for video 1, using templates for daily and weekly planning, I need to see them let's goes. I need to see them, yes, I'm ready. I need to see some thumbs up, some cheesy faces. I need to see all of that in the comments, because I'm ready. So if you're ready, let's get into it, y'all.